Hey, this is Paul Parna. Let me show you exactly how DoodleMaker is going to be an essential tool for achieving and exceeding your marketing goals. You can now tap into next generation artificial intelligence powered doodle video creation that features multiple cutting edge technologies to maximize engagement and conversions. Make stunning whiteboard, glassboard, and blackboard videos in any language with dazzling animations, effects, and unlimited visual assets to keep viewers glued to the screen. Set the perfect theme for every message by creating doodle videos in full color or black and white if you choose. Capture attention with the ability to change backgrounds to any color, including greenboard and blueprint backgrounds. Attract, engage, and educate, and even convert audiences in any niche from inside one platform that makes video creation easier, faster, and infinitely more versatile than any other app in the market. You can make studio quality videos in minutes with no technical skills or design experience. Select from over 300 professional customizable templates in today's hottest industries, or create from scratch faster than ever with your own artificial intelligence powered engine to do all the heavy lifting. Even convert any existing content you already have, such as blog posts, slideshows, or old boring videos into dynamic doodle videos with just a few mouse clicks. The groundbreaking artificial intelligence powered DoodleMaker delivers unmatched flexibility and speed. Convert any single video into 3 different formats: blackboard, glassboard, and whiteboard with just one click. Watch the app find relevant doodle images for your video by automatically scanning keywords in the transcript using artificial intelligence. No more manual searching for visuals ever again. Let the one-click translation and text-to-speech engine bring life to your message in your choice of hundreds of realistic male and female voices in minutes.